Welcome to DSA with Pranav. Uh, so in this question, we have to delete a node in the linked list. But the trickiest part here is they'll not give the header pointer. Okay, so head will be not having the access to the head. So they'll just give the random in between node. We have to delete that. So these are some of the condition in this question. I'll explain what are those. Yeah, they have given that it will be not be given access to the first node, that is head. So they'll give just a random node in between. We have to delete it. So let's see how we can do. Yeah, the example they have given like 4, 5, 1, and 9. So they have given this node. Given node is this 5. So I have to delete it. The resultant will be 4, 1, and 9. So this value, this is gone. 4, 1, and 9. So this is the resultant. Suppose here they've given 4, 5, 1, 9, but a given node is this one. This is the node. I have to delete it, and the resultant will be 4, 5, and 9. So 4, 5, and 9. This will be the resultant. Okay, let's see how we can do this. Yeah, they have given in first test case they have given this node 5. This is the given node. I have to change it into 4, 1, and 9. But I'll not be having access to the header point. So what we can do here is, as this is the node, so this is the node n. What we'll do is node. So we'll just replace this value, this 5 value, by the value to its next node. So simple. So node will update this node. Node's value will be equal to nodes of nodes of next value. Okay, nodes of next value. That means the 5 will be replaced with 1. Now what we'll do here is a node of next, that is this arrow mark, that will be equal to nodes of next of next. So nodes of next is this 1. Uh, Nodes of next is 9. So now this arrow mark, node of next, now this will be pointing to this 9. Hence now that will result to 4, 1, and 9. So this is the given answer. We just have two steps here. The very first step is nodes of value will be replaced with its next value. That is, nodes of value is equal to nodes of next value. Then nodes of next, that is this arrow mark, that will be pointing to nodes of next will be equal to nodes of next of next. So this is nodes of next, this one, nodes of next 9. So this arrow mark now will point to this 9. So that's only two step. We'll code it out. Okay. Here very first step is node of value will be replaced with its next value. Nodes of next of val, and node of next, that's the pointer, that will be replaced with node of next of next. So this is it. We'll submit it, and yeah,